Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will be discussing about how to derive the relationship for bulk density or field density of soil. So we know the expression is in this form, but we need to prove this expression. So we know that the bulk density or the density of any material is equal to weight upon volume, total weight upon total volume. So in case of soil, we know that the total weight will be weight of water plus weight of soil, and similarly the volume of soil will be volume of void plus volume of solids. So from this expression, if we take weight of solid common here, we will be left with weight of water upon weight of solid plus 1. Similarly, from the denominator we take volume of solid common, so we will be left with volume of void upon volume of solid plus 1. Now we know that weight of water upon weight of solid is nothing but water content, and volume of void upon volume of solid is the void ratio. So we will replace these two quantities here. So we get that bulk density is equal to weight of solid upon volume of solid into W plus 1 upon E plus 1. So now weight of solid upon volume of solid is nothing but solid density. So we can write this in this form, or 1 plus W we can write here, W plus 1 or 1 plus W is same thing. Similarly 1 plus E we can write, and we know that gamma S is that G is equal to specific gravity, G is equal to gamma S upon gamma W. So we have gamma S is equal to G into gamma W. So now what we can say, we will replace gamma S by this expression G into gamma W. So we have bulk density is equal to G into gamma W into 1 plus W upon 1 plus E. So now we can simplify this expression. We will G will be common to both of them. So we can say gamma B is equal to G plus GW upon 1 plus E into gamma W. Now we know that SR into E is equal to GW or WG. So we will replace that expression here. So we have G plus SR into E is equal into gamma W upon 1 plus E. This is the final expression for the bulk density, as you can see here. So this is the bulk density or field density of soil. So depending upon the soil condition or the field condition, soil may be fully saturated. This is for partially saturated soil. If the soil is fully saturated, then SR will be 1, and we will get gamma saturated as G plus E upon 1 plus E into gamma W. So for more detailed expression, you can look at the other video that is on the same channel. And similarly, when the soil is dry in the field, we have degree of saturation SR equal to 0, and in that case you can simply find that gamma saturated will be gamma dry, that will be when soil is dry, G plus 0 or G upon 1 plus E into gamma W. So gamma dry will be G gamma W upon 1 plus E. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for notification of next videos.